In a surprising twist of fate, NASA's Voyager 1, a relic of 20th century technology, has encountered a critical issue that has the scientific community on edge. Launched in 1977, Voyager 1's journey into the unknown was nearly compromised recently when it began transmitting unreadable data back to Earth. This script will delve into the intricacies of the problem identified with the spacecraft's flight data system, the high-stakes troubleshooting from billions of miles away, and the innovative strategies NASA is deploying to fix this unprecedented challenge. Stay tuned as we uncover why this mission's success is crucial for the future of interstellar communication and exploration. In November 2023, a deep chill ran through the hearts of those following the Voyager 1 mission. Data transmissions from humanity's furthest-flung spacecraft, hurtling through the vast emptiness of interstellar space over 14 billion miles away, became indecipherable. This wasn't just a routine glitch, it was a significant anomaly that threatened to sever our connection with this intrepid explorer. The culprit behind this cosmic communication blackout resided within Voyager 1's flight data system, FDS. This critical component acts as the linchpin, meticulously gathering scientific data from the spacecraft's various instruments, a cosmic weather station measuring the interstellar winds, magnetic fields, and the symphony of particles that paint a picture of the interstellar medium. The FDS then meticulously formats this data and transmits it back to Earth, allowing us to unlock the secrets of the region beyond our solar system. The initial diagnosis revealed a problem of immense proportions. Understanding the issue was paramount, as the continued flow of scientific information is the very lifeblood of the Voyager mission. The challenge was compounded by the immense distance separating Earth from Voyager 1. Any communication, any attempt to diagnose or fix the problem, would take a staggering 42 hours for a round trip. A command sent would take 21 hours to reach the spacecraft, and another 21 hours for a response to be received back on Earth. Further complicating matters was the technological gap. Voyager 1, launched in 1977, carries systems built with the best technology of the early 1970s. The team at NASA tasked with fixing the issue had to bridge this technological gulf, combining their expertise with historical knowledge and documentation to navigate the complexities of a spacecraft designed over 4 decades ago. This section sets the stage for the narrative, introducing the problem, its significance, and the initial challenges faced by the team at NASA. We learn about the critical role of the FDS, the vast distance involved, and the technological hurdle of dealing with a spacecraft from a bygone era. The tension builds as we realize the stakes involve the potential loss of invaluable data from the farthest reaches of our solar system. With the nature of the problem identified, a corrupted memory unit within Voyager 1's computer system, NASA's team sprang into action. Their first step was to implement a series of meticulous diagnostic commands. These commands, carefully crafted to minimize risk and maximize efficiency, were sent across the vast gulf of space, a one-way journey taking over 21 hours. The tension was palpable as the team waited, hoping for a response that would illuminate the path forward. The turning point came when a critical poke command was sent to Voyager 1. This command essentially prodded the spacecraft to send back a snapshot of its memory, a digital echo from the depths of space. This memory readout proved to be pivotal. Analyzing the data, the team was able to confirm their suspicions a corrupted memory unit was indeed wreaking havoc on Voyager's ability to communicate. However, the challenges were far from over. The immense distance meant that every step in the troubleshooting process was a painstakingly slow dance. Each command and response took a grueling 42 hours, demanding meticulous planning and a deep well of patience. Furthermore, the original engineers who had designed and built Voyager's systems had long since retired. The current team had to rely on decades-old documentation and their own ingenuity to navigate the intricacies of this deep space veteran systems. This section delves deeper into the specifics of the troubleshooting process. We witness the team's meticulous approach, the critical role played by the memory readout, and the ever-present obstacle of distance. The human element is introduced, highlighting the ingenuity required to bridge the technological gap and the reliance on historical knowledge. The pressure mounts as we understand the agonizingly slow pace of communication, a constant reminder of the immense distance separating Earth from Voyager 1. With the source of the problem identified, the path towards a solution unfolded. The team at NASA embarked on a mission not just of technical repair, but of innovation within the constraints of existing space-bound technology. Their proposed solution was a testament to human ingenuity, a delicate maneuver involving the manipulation of Voyager 1's onboard software. The plan involved carefully shifting essential portions of the software to unaffected areas of memory, a daunting task considering the age and fragility of the spacecraft's hardware. One wrong move could have catastrophic consequences, potentially silencing Voyager 1 forever. The commands needed to be formulated with the utmost precision, considering the 42-hour round-trip communication delay. Each instruction had to be meticulously crafted and verified to ensure it wouldn't trigger unintended consequences in Voyager's aging systems. This back-and-forth dialogue across the vast cosmic gulf was a testament to the team's patience and meticulous planning. The solution wasn't a simple one-time fix. The team envisioned a series of incremental adjustments. They would carefully move small sections of code at a time, verifying functionality after each shift. This iterative approach, akin to a delicate game of interstellar chess, minimized risk and allowed them to course-correct if necessary. The complexity of the operation went beyond the technical aspects. The team had to consider the power limitations of Voyager 1. The spacecraft's power source, a plutonium-based battery, degrades over time. Every command sent and every operation performed consumed precious energy. The team had to strike a delicate balance, ensuring the fix wouldn't drain Voyager 1's limited power reserves prematurely. This section highlights the intricacies of the engineering solution. We learn about the need for precise commands due to the communication delay, the iterative approach to minimize risk, and the additional challenge of working within Voyager 1's power constraints. The narrative emphasizes the team's strategic planning and their careful consideration of the spacecraft's limitations. The success of the operation hinged not just on technical prowess, but also on human ingenuity. The team at NASA drew upon their expertise in spacecraft engineering, their understanding of Voyager 1's legacy systems, and a healthy dose of creative problem-solving. They were essentially rewriting the code for an antique machine, a feat that required a unique blend of technical knowledge and historical perspective. Thank you for joining us on this fascinating journey through one of the most challenging issues that Voyager 1 has faced. The perseverance and ingenuity of NASA's team not only highlight the challenges of deep space communication, but also pave the way for future missions that might one day travel even farther than Voyager. Your curiosity fuels our exploration. Keep watching, keep wondering, and keep looking up. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more introducing new subject. See you next time.